So the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2021 first look is finally here, revealed by onleaks, and I'll be sharing the details about the Moto G Stylus, its competitor LG Stylo 7, and some fresh news about the Galaxy S21, so stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, here is the first look of the Moto G Stylus 2021, which suggests the old render was completely fake. It is a mid-range device featuring a 6.8-inch massive display, which makes the Moto G Stylus even bigger than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It is rocking a flat display with a single punch-hole camera located at the top left corner, featuring 16-megapixel selfie camera. Moving to its back, the phone comes with a quad camera system enclosed within a large rectangular housing. And according to onleaks, it will have 48-megapixel primary sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel depth, and 5-megapixel macro sensor, which contradicts the previous report suggesting 2-megapixel macro sensor. As we can see, the fingerprint sensor is integrated in the Motorola logo on the back, while the other source claim it will be embedded within a button on the side of the device. As its name implies, the Moto G Stylus will be shipped with a stylus which slips in its holder located on the bottom of the phone, and on the left side there will also be a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now let's have a look to its competitor, the LG Stylo 7. According to Steve, LG is about to launch not only one but two successors of LG Stylo 6. One is 4G LTE variant while the other is 5G model. The LG Stylo 7 5G comes with a 6.8-inch flat display, but unlike its predecessors, which has a water drop notch, it sports a center punch-hole selfie camera in the upper part of the screen. It features triple camera setup at the back, enclosed within a vertical aligned rectangular housing. But unfortunately, we don't have any details about the cameras from any reliable sources. Unlike the Stylo 6, the Stylo 7 5G model has the fingerprint sensor at the right side, and it also features headphone jack as well. The specs of 4G model would be pretty much similar to the 5G model. So now let's have a look to the Galaxy S21 series. We just got to know that the S Pen of the Galaxy S21 Ultra is a bit different from the Note 20 Ultra. According to tipster Max Weinbach, the S Pen of the Galaxy S21 Ultra is as big as Apple Pencil. It is said to have latency rate same to the Note 20 Ultra, that is 9 ms/s delayed, which is kinda impressive. It looks like S Pen could lack Bluetooth feature, and if so, we won't be able to do some remote control stuffs like opening camera applications. With that being said, the Galaxy S21 series is looking really exciting, and we are nearly a week far from its official launch event. It's obvious we'll see a lot of amazing mid-range devices with 5G support and foldable phones this year, so consider subscribing for the latest tech updates.